Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volvo XC60 2.0 B5 MHEV R-Design. This vehicle is a petrol hybrid, automatic, it is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in Vapor Grey Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 19-inch 5 double-spoke design alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the Vapor Grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at your rear seats, you can find the Napa leather and textile contour sport style seats. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can see that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, buttons to control your information panel, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 15,154 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your sat-nav, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. This vehicle does support Apple CarPlay, allowing you to listen to your own music and use Apple Maps. And along with this, you have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important calls. And of course, you have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can easily individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, and you can easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction as well. Along with this, you also have front heated seats and a heated steering wheel. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information, you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.